Hello, guys. We will talk about consensus mechanisms today. So, as you know that we are saying same thing from the first week of the course. Uh, blockchain technology is decentralized. I mean, there is no center. There is no center. I mean, this is decentralized technology. And in this distributed systems, consensus mechanisms are fundamental, which enable all nodes in a network to agree on a single version of truth. So, I mean, there are some parties they don't trust each other because they don't know each other. So they solve one of the most challenging problems actually in this technology. I mean, they are solving how to achieve agreement among the multiple parties who don't trust each other. So there, actually, we can think like that. There is really common example, Byzantine generals problem. It is called Byzantine problems. You can imagine that several Byzantine army generals surrounding a city, and each commanding their own division. So they must coordinate to decide whether to attack or to retreat. So the challenge is that some generals might be traitors who send conflicting messages to different generals. The army can only succeed if all loyal generals agree on the same plan. I mean, this is a metaphor. I mean, this is an example. It calls Byzantine general problem, but this metaphor perfectly describes the challenge in this kind of system, this kind of distributed systems, decentralized systems. So in a blockchain network, we need all honest nodes to agree on the current state of the ledger, even even when some nodes might be malicious and or deliberately sending false information, some technical failures. So uh, we can say that why consensus mechanisms matter. So preventing double spending, eliminating trusted third parties, network security for data integrity. Guys, there are some mechanism like proof of work, proof of stake, delegated proof of stake, proof of authority. Uh, Actually, these are major. There are some others also. So today we will talk about some of them, like proof of work, proof of stake, uh, delegated proof of stake. We will talk about some of them, and this is actually introduction to consensus mechanism. I mean, we will talk about firstly we will talk about proof of work and proof of stake.